Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we've listed the top 6 best drones of 2021 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the all-new Air 2S from DJI. This is a sensational camera drone in every aspect, from the quality of its upgraded camera to the plethora of advanced in-flight features. If you're in the market for an affordable compact drone that flies and shoots video and pinpoint sharp stills beautifully, then this will be the right option to go for. Let's start with the 2 upward-facing sensors on top of its shell. These 2 little eyes are a new addition to the drone's obstacle avoidance armory, and instead of just forward, rearward, and downward-facing sensors, it can now also detect obstacles above. And its upgraded Spotlight 2.0 is another cracking feature that will help produce incredible cinematic shots when you control the flight path of this drone. Using your phone and the DJI Fly app, you can simply draw a square around the object and the camera can lock onto it like a fighter pilot. Coming equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometer pixels, it will make this DJI Air 2S capable of 5.4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second video. And featuring DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, you will be provided with an ultra-smooth, clear, as well as reliable image feed every time you fly. Next is another excellent product from DJI. This Mavic Air 2 is a successor to the original Mavic Air that arrived in 2018. Notably, it's the first Mavic drone to offer 48MP stills, 8K hyperlapse, and 4K 60p video at 120 megabytes per second. As well as it's also the first drone that comes equipped with AirSense, DJI's alert system that receives automatic dependent surveillance broadcast signals from nearby manned aircraft and displays their location on the remote control screen. It arrives at an ideal weight and size, and adding features found in more sophisticated drones, including the Inspire 2, DJI also aimed to make this the smartest drone to date. Its camera, which uses a 1.5 CMOS quad-bear sensor, is mounted on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, and it can capture raw images, JPEG images at either 12 megapixels or 48 megapixel resolution, as well as RAW plus JPEG. And another dramatic change is found in the design on its controller. It has got larger and boxier than the other remotes in the Mavic series, and can mount a smartphone on top rather than on the bottom, like past Mavic models, as you can keep your phone secured with a clamp similar to DJI Phantom series remotes. If you're looking for an intermediate drone that's easy to fly with the ability to capture compelling photos and videos, then this DJI's Mavic Air can be the go-to model. It was one of the first drones to make the quality available from a 1-inch sensor portable and practical. And coming to its specs, its camera can capture 5472 by 3648 pixel stills and with that 1-inch CMOS. And utilizing a low-drag aerodynamic body design, it excels at achieving speeds of up to 47.7 miles per hour, a 4-cell LiPo battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and a low-noise propeller for filming without being distracting. With its smart controller, you can experience the joy of flying via a built-in 5.5-inch screen that displays your gimbal footage and flight data in full HD 1080p resolution, while its robust construction will let you fly in extreme conditions, supporting temperatures ranging from -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Next is Ryze Tello. Adding impressively precise aerial maneuvers, smooth stabilized video, and good app support, there is so much to love about this Ryze Tello. This Tello is powered by DJI, meaning it packs the same tech you'll find in today's very best drones. And by design, its body is made from sturdy plastic. While its propellers are protected by removable guards, as the Tello can quickly shut down its motors if it's unable to continue flying after a collision. Without a controller as standard, you can fly the Tello via the app, though it is also compatible with dual-stick Bluetooth controllers, such as those found on the PlayStation or Xbox. And finally, coming to its main aspect, camera quality, it features 5-megapixel photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. While coming equipped with 2 antennas, it can make its video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Next is PowerVision PowerEgg X. This is a surprisingly good drone to fly and provides a great deal of stability in the air thanks to its large propellers. It provides an attractive option for photographers and videographers who want to fly their drone in the rain and land it on water. And being a drone, it can also be used as a handheld gimbal camera and an autonomous AI camera that can be mounted to a tripod and controlled using hand gestures. Along with that, it also adds a built-in microphone for use in the 2 camera modes. And despite its unique design, the PowerEgg X is easy to fly and can be handled well in the air. Coming to its photo and video quality, it has a 12-megapixel 1x2.8-inch CMOS sensor, and its lens provides a full-frame equivalent focal length of 27 millimeters with a constant f1.8 aperture and hyperfocal focus to maximize the depth of field. And the same goes for the video quality, as you'll be able to shoot video in frame rates ranging from 24 to 60 frames per second in 4K, between 24 and 120 frames per second in 1080p, and between 24 and 240 frames per second in 720p. Finally, coming to its controller, it is a simple white and gray affair with several buttons and a dial to control the gimbal, as well as a programmable custom FN button to let you assign your preferred function, while its included foldable phone holder is large enough to hold larger smartphones like the newer Huawei P30 Pro. Last on our list is the Parrot Anafi. With its 180-degree tilting gimbal, excellent battery, and ability to record 4K HDR video, this Anafi is a well-priced drone that can capture great 4K HDR video and detailed photos. It is the Parrot's first folding drone, and the mechanism, each leg clicks into place by pulling it outwards from the body, quickly and straightforwardly. And coming to its performance, flying the Anafi is easy with the Sky Controller 3. And there are 4 modes, like film, sport, cinematic, and racing, where each provides different performance depending on the subject. For camera and video quality, it comes equipped with an f2.4 wide-angle ASB-H lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom, which captures spectacular 4K videos, Full HD, or 2.7K videos, and 21-megapixel photos without loss of quality, while its 21-megapixel sensor offers plenty of detail and allows for 4K video. Thanks to the high-resolution sensor, you can losslessly zoom in to 1.4x in 4K and up to 2.8x in 1080p. And in addition to that, there's also a setting in the app to choose whether to limit to lossless zoom or let you carry on into digital zoom. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.